Alright, first video, nigga, man, first video back. Oh shit, I still got the code. What this said? Oh, I already read that. Now what I didn't read was the newspaper. I'm just looking around because I had to start all over. I know what to do, but I had to start all over. Where's my volume at? Yeah, there you go. See, bro? I'm blinded. What is that? How I get that? Do I shoot at that hook? No, I ain't gonna shoot. That's a waste of ammo. Oh, there's a newspaper right here. I ain't even read it. Newspapers from November 27th, 2019. Racist dies to... Oh, I already read that. Yeah, I read that in my lonesome. Boy. Oh, would you look at this? Is this a coffee? Bro, stop the lag, my boy. Stop the... Okay. I said stop the lag. Bro, stop the lag. Why the hell you lagging? What's the internet? We got internet. Stop the lag. Bruh. Nah, bro, because if you're just gonna lag the whole time, I'm not gonna play you ever again. I did this. I ain't got that yet. Nope. I ain't get that from the bathroom. I died in the bathroom, huh? Yeah, I did. No, I didn't. I'm still alive. The hell? Damn, bro, you kind of slow. Speed it up. Yeah, this door closed. So I gotta kill this dude first. Pop the door open. Bro, why you lagging? Stop the lag, bro. You coming up on these niggas. This one, respect them out. Papa. Jiggle. Rip. Nah, cause like me personally. Oh, there was stuff back here. This whole... I know. I see it. There was stuff back here. This whole time, my boy. Oh, shoot. And get back there. I don't know what that is, but y'all can tell me in the comments below, my boy. Because that dog right here. Hey, get that dog right here. I already read it, my boy. Alright. Run, my boy, because you kind of slow. I ain't gonna hold you. What's the header? Where I get the key at? Oh, I get the key in here. Oh, yeah, bro. I got a code. There ain't no way. Ain't no way, my boy. Get that. Open that. Use that. Take that key. Thank you. There's something over here. Great. Y'all can pause to read that. I'm not. Yeah, bro. I just tried to do something. You doing it. There he go. Yup. I'm trying to get this boy lacking. Oh, ain't no way you turn around. Shoot that boy. Shoot that boy. Kill him, like how he dodged that? Nah, bro. Nah, for now I gotta be ruthless with these boys. Knife only, bro. Yeah, you heard it. Knife only. Give me that med kit. I know, my boy. Oh shit, my boy. Yeah, what this is? Notebook? What's that code? 411-519. 411-519. Yeah, bro, we back out here. Yup. 411-519. Mink. Red. Alright, give me that. key card. Okay, I do stop lagging. Now I'm about to go give me another. Where'd he go? I know there's something here. No? Yo, bro, what's over here? Yo, I ain't... Stop lagging for me.